Hey SS Beauties, welcome back. So today I'm going to take you beyond the chair and show you how I made this beautiful banana puree that my baby boy is eating. Stay tuned. I started by having my 4-year-old cut up 2 bananas. From there, we added water into our Nutribullet baby cup, and I let her add the bananas, and I let her start by pressing down in 7-second intervals. So you can see her here now feeding my handsome baby boy his banana puree, and you see he's loving it. In honesty, she is not feeding him fast enough because oops, she's gonna clean his mouth off. Oh, he is not having it. He's like, give me the food, big sister. All in all, this was a fairly easy recipe to do. All it took was 2 bananas and maybe like a tablespoon of water. And like I said, we did 7-second intervals when pureeing, maybe like 2 to 3 of those. But I ended up storing the rest of the banana puree in the freezer. You can see me put the lid on and put it in the freezer. But as always, if you have any comments, please comment them below. Be sure to like, follow, and turn on those notifications. I'll see you on the next one.